We're here at the Cove Palisades State Park here in Central Oregon near Madras. We're here at Crooked River Day Use area here at Lake Billy Chinook, Cove Palisades State Park, Central Oregon. And look at these incredible picnic sites right here on the beautiful shoreline of the high desert Wonderland feel of this area. There's juniper trees and rocks. See across the way, it's a pretty big group gathering zone. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Got a proper beach here for Lake Billy Chinook. Step. There we go. And look at this. This is awesome. Oh, Lake Billy Chinook. I'm an avid kayaker. I've got a couple pungos and a couple orus. So this is one of my favorite places to come kayaking, and I think you can see why. Water level's a little low right now. That's a reported planned event because they're doing some maintenance on the dam, and they're not letting the water come through as much. So it's going to be lower levels than normal until mid-April. Read that online. So you can see this beach is a little short, but I think they're saying 2.5 feet will come back mid-April once they finish their dam repairs. Hydroelectric situation. Can I interest you in a high desert wonderland with a world-class lake here at Cove Palisades State Park, Central Oregon. Got a lot of great situated picnic sites right here on the water, on the beach. Perfect to come here and chill. Oh, look at this. You can see this beach goes on a bit. Got a sandy beach with some rocky outcroppings. Love the sun beaming off the canyon across the way. See the striations, the sheer cliffs of the canyon. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. It's just after sunrise, and as you can see, it's a beautiful day on the lake. The mighty Lake Billy Chinook. We're here on the shoreline of Lake Billy Chinook, here at Cove Palisades State Park here in Central Oregon. And this is one of the crown jewel state parks in the entire state of Oregon. It's the confluence of the Crooked River, Metolius River, and Deschutes River. A boating, fishing, kayaking wonderland zone. Oh, look at how peaceful this beach is. Gentle waves, very lightly crashing on the shoreline. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm in heaven. Now this is a picnic site. I'm here at Crooked River Deschutes area, Cove Palisades State Park, Central Oregon near Madras. And we are watching the gentle waves of Lake Billy Chinook crash on this rocky, sandy shoreline. Oh, this is gorgeous. Imagine having a little lunch, maybe a snack, taking a load off and just sitting here and admiring this high desert wonderland. If this is a little too relaxing and passive for you, you can always grab a boat or a kayak. Now this is an epic group picnic site. I'm here at Crooked River Deschutes area here at Cove Palisades State Park in Central Oregon. We are standing near the shoreline of the mighty Lake Billy Chinook. This lake is the confluence of Crooked River, Metolius River, and Deschutes River, all coming together to form a massive tendrilled lake of awesomeness, water sport heaven, Mecca, boating, fishing, kayaking, high desert wonderland, epic sheer cliff canyon, absolutely beautiful. And you got perfectly situated areas like this. You got a quad of picnic tables, ideal for a massive group get together. Who wouldn't want to have a gathering right here on the shoreline? Beautiful Lake Billy Chinook.